finish, I dey cook my stew, my tomato sauce. I just dey put now na the chicken and the put the chicken and goat meat that was already steamed. Yes. So guys, just watch how I cook my own tomato stew. I'll be posting the various videos, continuation of my cooking. Yes, my lovely, wonderful people. So I put all the meat and the meatable. That's how I will stir am. I don't finish. I don't put already the sauce, the steamed chicken sauce mixed with the good sauce together. It don't steam, so now the chicken they put the goat meat, fresh goat meat, no be dry one. Better one way the air put many smell, no oil. That is stir and stir and make everything and cover and everything. Everything go dey miss. Wetin you go dey miss for the guy you're missing if you don't know how to cook. If you know how to cook, there is nothing you say you not cook it because stew I see and say e no easy to cook am. If you just carry tomato put and take all ingredient join am tomato dey sour, and when your tomato don fine, your stew no go sweet. Or even if you pack spices, e no go sweet. No be everybody know how to cook tomato sauce now. Yes, so see as I dey put the sauce. As this one be like this, now you will do all the tasting and the tastable, because you don't put the sauce well, the steaming Maggi, everything dey. Now you go taste am. If now we don't balance, if Maggi or salt no correct or pepper, now you go put, because you no go put on that time. You go put on the tomato sauce. Now you want take the sauce, the chicken, the goat meat, put am, salt and pass. So my people, now another thing to do. Just turn and pour rice now. It takes boiled yam or some boiled plantain or some fried plantain, boiled rice, masa. Now so the thing go enter your body. It go just enter body, enter. You guys are think I stir am when everything. One name. I go one dey cook. Hey. Achalugo one dey cook. Abeg taste am. Taste am well. Let's cover the pot. Make it steam again. Then after you just see block. Inside the wine girl. Share the